Hello friends, you are watching my YouTube channel Chorgesar Biology. In this lecture, we will study about the genetic disorders. Genetic disorders are generally related with the abnormal gene or abnormal chromosomes, and these genetic disorders are broadly classified into the two categories. The first one is Mendelian disorders and the second one is chromosomal disorders. The difference is Mendelian disorders are related with the abnormality in the gene. Mendelian disorders are related with the abnormality in the gene like mutation or the deletion or alteration of the gene. These Mendelian disorders are related to the genes. For example, thalassemia is there, hemophilia, phenylketonuria, color blindness is there, and on other hand, the chromosomal disorders are related with the chromosomes. The chromosomal disorders are nothing but the addition or the deletion of one or more chromosomes in the germline. Chromosomal disorders are related with the addition or deletion of one or more chromosomes. Understood the chromosomal disorders? For example, Down syndrome is there, Turner syndrome and Klinefelter syndrome. Now, these genetic disorders, main genetic disorders we have to study, these are the thalassemia, Down syndrome, Turner syndrome and Klinefelter syndrome. The very first Mendelian disorder, which is the thalassemia. Now, thalassemia is the disease related to the abnormal hemoglobin production. Thalassemia disease is related to the abnormal hemoglobin production. This disorder is related with the HB, abnormal hemoglobin production. Actually, the hemoglobin molecule is made up of 4 polypeptide chain, 4 polypeptide chains, and out of these 4 polypeptide chain, 2 chains are alpha chain and 2 chains are beta chains. Out of these 4 polypeptide chains, hemoglobin molecule HB, hemoglobin molecule is made up of 4 polypeptide chains. Out of these, 2 are alpha chains and 2 are beta chains. Now, the gene for the alpha chain, are present on chromosome number 16. The gene which codes alpha chains are present on chromosome number 16. These are 2 genes for 2 alpha chains. These are HBA1 and HBA2. These 2 genes are closely located on chromosome number 16, and these genes are responsible for the synthesis of alpha chains. Understood? Now, the gene for beta chain is coded by chromosome number 11, are present on chromosome number 11, and there is only one gene which is HBB, which codes for 2 beta genes. Understood? Now, the abnormality in the production of these alpha and beta globin chain is result in the formation or the development of thalassemia disease. Now, what is the abnormality? Abnormality means addition or deletion or the synthesis of excessive or less polypeptide chain. Synthesis of less or excessive polypeptide chain. And now, depending upon the affected chain, the thalassemia is of 2 types. If the alpha chain is affected, then the thalassemia is called alpha thalassemia, and if the beta chain is affected, then the thalassemia is called as a beta thalassemia. Understood? These chains are related to the formation of 4 polypeptide chains which are required for the synthesis of normal hemoglobin molecule. If any abnormality in the synthesis of these 2 chains, this will result into the thalassemia disease. Now, what are the symptoms of thalassemia? The first one, anemia, blood loss is there, anemia, low blood, pale yellow skin is appeared because of there is massive destruction. There is a large number of destruction of RBCs takes place, which builds up the bilirubin and biliverdin pigment in the blood, and by the excessive buildup of these pigments, bilirubin pigment, the pale yellow skin appears. Next, change in shape and size of RBCs as the hemoglobin is associated with the RBC. There is a slight change in the structure and shape of the RBC. Slow growth. Because of the thalassemia, oxygen carrying capacity is much less, and by the low oxidative reaction, this affects the growth, slow growth and development. Dark urine, because of the bilirubin pigment, dark urine appears. Now, the patient need massive blood transfusion. The patient need massive blood transfusion means the patient is administered with the blood with its blood group, and the massive blood transfusion, भरपूर प्रमाणात ब्लड दुसऱ्याचं त्या पेशंटला द्यावं लागेल. Massive blood transfusion is needed to treat the thalassemia. It is just a holding measure, not a cure. Massive blood transfusion is needed. Understood the thalassemia? Thalassemia is abnormal hemoglobin production. It is related with the abnormal hemoglobin production, any change in the alpha and beta globin chains. Understood the thalassemia? The next disease is thalassemia is autosomal recessive disorder. Thalassemia is autosomal recessive disorder. The next disease we are going to study is the Down's syndrome. Down syndrome. Down is the name of the scientist who is the physician, first time described by John Langdon Down, hence name Down's syndrome. And the very important thing, Down syndrome is chromosomal disorder. Down syndrome is chromosomal disorder. 21st trisomy. The abnormality in the 21st chromosome is observed. 21st trisomy means 3 copies. 3 copies of 21st chromosomes are observed. 3 copies of 21st chromosomes are observed in the Down syndrome. Now, 3 copies are due to the non-disjunction of chromosome during the gamete formation is observed. These 3 copies are because of the non-disjunction of chromosome. Generally, the mother or in the females who are over 45 years age or over age, generally 3 copies. During the gamete formation, non-disjunction of chromosome takes place. For example, in the mother, due to the non-disjunction, chromosomes remain together. Non-disjunction, 2 copies. 2 copies are inherited from the mother through the gametes, and the 1 copy from father. And after fusion, 3 copies are present in the progeny. 3 copies are present in the progeny, and these 3 copies will lead to the Down's syndrome. Understood the 21st trisomy? How these 3 copies are appeared? 2 are inherited from the mother and 1 is from the father. By the fusion of gametes in the progeny, 3 copies of 21st chromosomes are observed, and this will result into the Down syndrome. 3 copies are present, hence called as the 21st trisomy. Tri means 3 and soma means body. 3 bodies of 21st chromosomes are observed or appeared. Now, the symptoms. The symptoms are, first, mental retardation is observed in the patient. with Down syndrome, the mental retardation or the mental faculties are underdeveloped. Poor skeletal development, short stature, skeletal development is poor. Small head, ears and mouth. As the development is poor, the head is relatively small with small ears and small mouth. Flat rounded face. Face is typically flat with rounded flat nose. Flat face with flat nose. Open mouth. Mouth is always open with protruding tongue. Tongue is protruding or out from the mouth. Eyes. The very important, eyes slant up. Eyes are slanting up with epicanthal fold. Epicanthal fold means inner corner of eye contains the epicanthal fold. Skin fold is there. It is called as the epicanthal fold. Flat hand and stubby fingers. Fingers are stubby. Stout fingers are there with flat hand and broad palm with single palmar crease. The palm is broad with a single palmar crease which runs across the palm with a single palmar crease, which is also called as the simian crease. Understood the Down syndrome? Down syndrome is chromosomal disorder and which is related with the 21st chromosome. 3 copies of 21st chromosomes are present because of the non-disjunction during the gamete formation. Understood these two? Now next disorders are Turner syndrome and Klinefelter syndrome. Just wait. Hello friends. In previous lecture we studied the genetic disorders including thalassemia and Down syndrome. In this lecture we are going to study the next genetic disorders which are related with the chromosomal disorders, and generally these disorders are related with the sex chromosome. The third one is Turner syndrome. The third disorder which is related with the sex chromosome is the Turner syndrome, which is also called as X monosomy. X monosomy means the patient receive only one X chromosome and there is no homologous chromosome is present, or no the paired chromosome is present. Only receives single X chromosome due to the non-disjunction of chromosomes during meiosis. Hence, it is also described as the X0. This is X0 females. Generally, phenotypically, the Turner syndrome are female patients. Phenotypically, these are females. Now, the symptoms are short height, short stature, relatively short height is present. Waved neck. Waving of neck means there is a skin fold from neck to the shoulder. Waving of neck is present. Low posterior hairline, less hair developed, low posterior hairline. Broad chest. Chest is relatively shield shaped and broad. Poorly developed ovaries. As there is no paired chromosomes, the secondary sexual characters are underdeveloped. Poorly developed ovaries and breast. And low intelligence. Low intelligence, mental faculties are also affected due to the single X chromosome, and low intelligence is present. Understood the Turner syndrome? Turner syndrome means X monosomy. X monosomy, only one X chromosome is present. So the chromosome number is 44 autosomes plus X0 is equal to 44 plus 1. 45 chromosomes are present instead of 46. This is the aneuploidy, deletion of one chromosome, one sex chromosome. Understood the Turner syndrome? The next one is the Klinefelter syndrome. Klinefelter syndrome is described as XXY males. XXY males means addition of extra X chromosome in XY. Phenotypically, these patients are males. Phenotypically, these patients are male, but in addition to the XY, extra X chromosome is present. So here is the dominance of XX, female chromosome takes place. So the males are described as feminized males. The male with female characters. The male with female character, which is described as the feminized males because of the dominance of extra X chromosome. This also forms due to the non-disjunction of chromosome. So the chromosome number is 44 plus XXY, 44 plus 1, 45, 46, 47. Here is also aneuploidy 47, which is the abnormal chromosome number, extra X chromosome. Feminized males. Now the characters are harsh voice is very harsh, pitched higher, tall and thin. The patients are generally heighted, tall and thin. Development of breast, which is the female character. Development of breast takes place, which is described as a gynecomastia. Development of breast, which is described as a gynecomastia, which is the female character developed in the male. Small testes due to the dominance of XX chromosome. Androgens are not properly secreted, so the secondary sexual characters are underdeveloped. Small testes, and due to the poor testicular development, no spermatogenesis is observed. Hence, the patients are sterile. The patients are sterile; they cannot reproduce further. Understood the Klinefelter syndrome? Turner syndrome and Klinefelter syndrome both are related with the sex chromosomal abnormalities. Understood the genetic disorders? This lecture marks the end of this topic. 2 topics are completed till today. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me in the comment box. जर तुम्हाला काही शंका असतील तर कमेंट बॉक्स मध्ये नक्की कमेंट करा. व्हिडिओ आवडले असतील तर नक्की लाईक करा. थँक्यू.